Morning!
Morning.
Alright, so we are ready to start our day. We've been staying at the Art of Animation. We're in the Cars lot because they were awesome. We were supposed to stay in Little Mermaid and they ended up upgrading us without telling us. So now we have a 1-bedroom suite and we don't need that much space, but I am loving the life of luxury right now. It's about to get bright. Oh, so we're on our way to Hollywood Studios, which means one thing and one thing only, besides Fantasmic. It means we get to ride the Skyliners. We got a little sneak peek of it last night when we were coming home.
Now wave goodbye to your adoring fans below. Bye!
What?
Children, collect your belongings and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
But I feel like during the daytime it's going to be a lot scarier. There's a lot of arm grabbing, a lot of crying for my life that happened last night, and a child who was judging me very hard. So we're gonna see what it's like during the daytime. Wish us luck. Wow. Here we go. Here we go. I'm terrified. Okay, it's not so bad. It looks a lot worse from the outside than it is on the inside. Wow, that's
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot International Gateway.
Huh. Yeah, we like the clear ones because then you can actually see outside. But the characters are fun to look at in passing. Yeah. Oh my gosh, all night last night though, every time you hit one of these little bar things, listen to the sound it makes. It was terrifying. I was like hugging to her arm like this all night, like oh my gosh, look at it. Are you ready to see us like come in? Because this is probably the scariest part.
Please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente.
They're like all up in their business.
Now you go skirt.
Las puertas se abran automáticamente. Al salir de la cabina, por favor.
Oh my gosh. We were the last one to get off before it stopped. I feel so #blessed.
#blessed.
Alright, anyways, we're at Hollywood Studios, so that wasn't too bad of a journey. I think the whole thing in total probably took us about like 15 minutes. Yeah, so not too shabby at all. Definitely faster than a bus, where you could be waiting up to 20 minutes for a bus and then like another 20-minute journey. So yay! Alright, so Disney Skyliner, terrifying, not friendly for those who are afraid of heights and falling from tall places, but super effective. Recommend 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
It's because it's scary.
I think 10 out of 10.
Oh. The lighting in here is like, let's tell you a horror story. One day we went to a Disney park and we forgot our tickets at home and they were unregistered.
Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas